Chili soybean seasoned turkey patties. Our list of ingredients today are... Okay, first thing we need to do is get our ground meat seasoned. We're just going to toss in a bowl big enough that we can actually work in. May look a little overkill, but when you start mixing up, you're going to need that extra space. We're going to put a little bit of soy sauce in it. We're going to go ahead and put some salt in it. And then we're going to put our chili oil with fermented soybean in it. And we're going to adjust this as we need it. Just like any other mix, you're just going to use your hands, shove them in there, and start mixing. You just want to make sure it's mixed in well. Everything's coated. Everything looks the same. And that's about all you need to do with it. The patties were made. I usually just ball them up. Then when the oil heats up, I throw them in. Since I'm using ground turkey, I am using some oils to help it so it doesn't stick. Give it a little bit more. It was like 90-some% fat-free, so there's not a whole lot of fat on it. I am going to dump my noodles in. And we'll get that mixed up. I went ahead and turned the fire on here so we can get that going, since that's always takes the longest. So what I'm going to do here, the fire's not on here yet. I'm just going to lay these in and flatten them out some. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up, but I'm going to put it down real low due to these noodles. And we're going to go ahead and flip these over. They're not quite ready, but hopefully it stays together. And don't like them touching, because I like to have that heat go all the way around them. But I do get them fairly close, especially since my heat currently is just directly in the middle. We'll flip these a few times. Hopefully I can time this right and everything gets done at the exact same time. So eventually here I'll probably have to kick up the heat, get some color on these. We'll let it go a little bit longer before I do that, a couple more minutes. And that's about what I'm looking for color-wise. I'm hoping not to go too much darker on it, but we'll see what happens. Since I'm racing against time here with my noodles, I'm going to bet these noodles here are just about done. Yeah, I'd say from the last time, we're getting pretty close to that. I'm actually going to turn that off. Let that sit for a minute before I drain it. These are going to start charring up here some because they're starting to stick. I just put a small slice in this one to see what's coming out. What's coming out is actually the chili oil. So we should be good there. I'm going to go ahead and drain these while that's going. All right, our spinach is done. It looks like everything's done. So I'm going to go ahead and start plating one here. Like I said, since I cheat, my vegetables, I actually do like them better frozen than canned. I just dump it out. Just going to take some of these noodles, dump it out. Grab one of these patties. Let's flip it over, see what it looks like. Yeah, this looks nice. We're gonna set that down. And there you have it. That's our meal for today. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Turkey burger with the taste, with an Asian taste to it. Give it a try. Let us know what you think. We'll see you on the next one.